Question number 1. Pair of linear equations, 10th class. The ratio of incomes of two persons 9 is to 7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4 is to 3. If each of them manages to save 2000 per month, then find their monthly income. Let the monthly income of two persons be 9 is to 7, that means 9x and 7x. Let their monthly expenditures 4 is to 3, that means 4y and 3y. Consider the equations. Now 9x minus the first person saves 2000 per month and the income is 9x and the expenditure is 4y. 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 and the second person saves 2000 rupees and the income is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Now solving these two equations, multiply the first one is 3 and the second one is 4. 27x minus 12y equal to 6000. 28x minus 12y equal to 8000. Now subtract from 4 and 3. 28 minus 27, that is x. 8000 minus 6000, that is 2000. X equal to 2000 rupees. Now the income of the first person is 9x. 9 into 2000 equal to 18. And the second person income is 7x, that is 7 into 2000 is 14,000 per month. The sum of two-digit number and the numbers obtained by reversing the digits is 66. If the digit of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Now let two-digit number, that is two digits x and y, the number is 10x plus y. The reverse number is 10y plus x. The sum of these two numbers, the reverse and the number is 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 66. 10x and x 11x, 10y and y 11y, that equals 66. Take common 11, x plus y equal to 6. Now the two digit differs 2, x minus y equal to 2. Now substitute these values. Solve these two equations. X plus y equal to 6, x minus y equal to 2. Y cancel, 2x equal to 8, x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Then the number is 42. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find the angles. The supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means adding two angles. If you get 180 degrees, those are called the supplementary angles. X plus y equal to 180. And then that differs 18 degrees. X minus y equal to 18. Now solve. Y cancel, to x equal to 198 and x equal to 99. Y equal to 180 minus 99, that equal to 81. 81 and 99 are required angles. The taxi charges in Hyderabad have two components: fixed per kilometer charge. Up to 4 kilometers, you will charge certain minimum amount. From there onwards, you have to pay additionally for every kilometer traveled. First, for the first 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 166 rupees for the journey of 615 kilometers. The charge paid is 256. What are the fixed charges of charge per kilometer? Now let fixed charge for the first 3 kilometers is x and the charge per kilometer after that y. For 10 kilometers, x plus 7y equal to 166. And for 15 kilometers, x plus 12y equal to 256. Now solving these equations, 12 x minus x0, 12 minus 7 equal to 5, 256 minus 166 equal to 90, and y equal to 18. Now substitute this value in an equation 18. You will get x value is 40. The fixed charge is 40 rupees. Charge per kilometer is 18 rupees. For 25 kilometers, 10 and 15, that is 40 plus 22 into 18 equal to 436 rupees. A fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. However, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. What is the fraction? Now let the fraction be x by y. If you add x plus 1 and y plus 1, you will get 4 by 5. That means cross multiplying 5x and 5 is equal to 4y plus 4. That is 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. Now we will subtract 5, x minus 5 by y minus 5, you will get 1 by 2. From this you will get 2x minus y equal to 5. Now solve these two equations. You will get x equal to 1, x equal to 7 and y equal to 9. The fraction is x by y, that is 7 by 9. Places A to B are 100 kilometers apart on highway. One car starts from A and another from point B at the same time, the different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Car speed problem. Let speeds be u and v kilometers per hour. The distance is given 100 kilometers. The same direction 100 by u minus v equal to 5. Now u minus v equal to 20. Towards each other you should add the speeds. 100 by u plus v equal to 1 and u plus v equal to 100. Now adding these two equations, 2u is equal to 120, u equal to 60 kilometers per hour and v equal to 100 minus 60, 40 kilometers per hour. The speeds of the cars is 60 kilometer and 40 kilometer. Two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice the measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle. Let smaller angle be x and larger angle be y. Then x plus y equal to 90 degrees. Complementary angles. So we can get x plus y equal to 90 and y equal to given 2x minus 3. Twice and less than lesser 3, that means y equal to x minus 3. Now y value substitute in the equation, x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 90 and 3x minus 3 equal to 90, 3x equal to 90 plus 3, x equal to 31. Now y equal to 59 degrees. A dictionary has a total number of pages 1382. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. How many pages are in each part of the book? Now let part 1 x and part 2 is y. The total pages is x plus y equal to 1382. Now that broken part is x more than 64 pages, y equal to x plus 64. Now adding these, x equal to 659 and y equal to 723 will get. Part 1 has 659 pages, part 2 is 723 pages. A chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and the other is 80% solution. How much of the each should be used to obtain 100 ml of a 68% solution? Let x ml of 50% and y ml of 80% be used. X plus y equal to 100, and then 50% means 0.5 x and 80% means 0.8 y equal to 68%. So this is equal to multiplying by 100. 50x 80y equal to 68. 100. 5x plus 8y equal to 6080. And from equation 1, x plus y equal to 100. That means x equal to 100 minus y. Substitute this here. 5x plus 8y 680. X means 100 minus y. Multiplying 500 minus 5y plus 8y is equal to 680. Now this is 500 plus 3y equal to 680, 3y equal to 180. Then y equal to 60. Now x equal to 40. 40 ml of 50%, 60 ml of 80% solution. You have a 12,000 saved amount and want to invest in two schemes yielding 10% and 15% interest. How much money should be invested in each scheme so that you should get overall 12% interest? Investment scheme. Let x be in 10%, y be in 15%. The total amount is x plus y is 12,000. 10% and 15% is 12% interest. That is 10x and 12y equal to multiplying it 12,000, 144,000. 2x plus 3y equal to 28,800 and given x plus y equal to 12,000 and 2x plus 2y equal to 24,000, and subtracting this 2x and 2x cancel, 3y minus 2y equal to y, 28,800 minus 24, that is y equal to, you will get 4,800 and x equal to 7,200 rupees.